Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the worksheet 2 of rational numbers as decimals. Now coming to the second question, without actual division, determine which of the following rational numbers have a terminating decimal representation and which have a non-terminating decimal representation. In the examples, we have understood these type of sums. In the first sum by long division, you have seen some were terminating decimals and some were non-terminating and they were repeating. So now without actual division, we have to see whether it is terminating or non-terminating. So for this, first what we have to do? First we have to see whether it is in the lowest term or not. So 11 by 4, is it in the lowest form? Yes. So 4 and 11 cannot be divided or simplified by the same number, isn't it? So HCF of 11 and 4 is 1. So it is the lowest form. So first we will write it is in the lowest form. First step is this. Now see, what is the denominator? Denominator is 4. Now find out the prime factorization of the denominator. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are. So 4 can be written as 2 square. Means the prime factors of 4 is 2 times. Means only 2 and 5 should be the prime factors of the denominator. Then it will be a terminating decimal representation. Otherwise, no. So, example में हम समझाए कि the denominator का prime factors should be either 2 or 5, नहीं तो दोनों 2 और 5. उसके अलावा कोई भी नंबर आया, then it will have non-terminating decimal representation. If it has 2 or 5 or 2 and 5, then it will have the terminating decimal representation. So it has got 2, isn't it? So that is why, therefore 11 by 4 has terminating decimal representation. No division, nothing, only the denominator of the lowest term you have to see. Now 13 and 80. 13 is a prime number. 13 के टेबल में 80 तो नहीं आएगा. So इसका मतलब it is in the lowest form. So first step, it is in the lowest form. Now what is the denominator? 80. Now see the prime factorization of 80. 2 4s are 8, 0. 2 2s are 4, 0. 2 10s are 20. 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are. That means 80 can be written as 2 4 times, that is 2 to the power 4 into 5. मतलब प्राइम फैक्टर्स 2 and 5 है. सो प्राइम फैक्टर it has 2 and 5. Therefore, 13/80 will have a terminating decimal representation. मतलब आप लोग लॉन्ग डिवीजन करेंगे तो भी उसका रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा. नाउ 15/11. नाउ 11 इज अ प्राइम नंबर. 11 का टेबल में तो 15 नहीं है, कैंसिल नहीं होता है, तो अगेन इट इज इन द लोएस्ट फॉर्म. Now denominator is equal to 11. So prime factor of 11 is 11, isn't it? Which is other than 2 and 5. हम बोले थे सिर्फ 2 5 नहीं तो दोनों. अभी 11 it is other than 2 and 5. Therefore 15/11 will have a non-terminating decimal representation. समझ में आया सबको? सबसे पहले देखने का है वो लोएस्ट फॉर्म में है या नहीं, फिर डिनोमिनेटर का प्राइम फैक्टर्स देखो. नाउ 7 22/7. 7 के टेबल में 22 नहीं है, 21. सो इट इज नॉट, इट कैनॉट बी फर्दर सिंप्लीफाइड. सो again it is in the lowest form. Now denominator is what? 7. So prime factors of 7 is 7, which is other than 2 and 5. 2 and 5 के अलावा 7 है. So therefore 22/7 will have a non-terminating decimal representation. होप यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट. अभी ये नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग में क्या है, लॉन्ग डिवीजन करेंगे तो रिमाइंडर एग्जैक्ट 0 नहीं आएगा, वो कंटिन्यू होता जाएगा. ठीक है. दैट वाज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 4 सम्स. नाउ कमिंग टू द फिफ्थ वन, 29 and 250. अगेन 29 and 250 cannot be simplified. It is in the lowest form. 29 tens are 290, 250 cancel नहीं होगा. So it is in the lowest form. Denominator is equal to 250. I am writing D, means denominator. Now find the prime factorization of 250. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 5s are 10. Now directly 5 25s are 125, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So you got prime factors of 250 has 2 and 5, isn't it? Therefore, 29 by 250 will have a terminating decimal representation. Hope you are getting the confidence now after 5 sums, isn't it? Now 37 and 21. 37 and 21 again cannot be simplified. It is in the lowest form. Now denominator is 21, prime factorization 21, 3 sevens are 7 ones are. So prime factors of 21 has 3 and 7, which are other than 2 and 5. Therefore, 37 by 21 will have a non-terminating decimal representation. Isn't it? So you are confident? Now 49 and 14. 49 by 14. So it is not in the lowest form. In which multiple of a 7, isn't it? 7 twos are 7 sevens are. So it is not in the lowest form. Now convert 49 by 14. 7 twos are 7 sevens are, so you got 7 by 2. Now denominator is 2. So prime factor of 2 is 2. Therefore, 49 by 14 will have a terminating decimal representation. If you would have taken 49 by 14, 14 is the denominator, 2 and 7 आएगा तभी नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, लेकिन सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो 7 by 2 आया, इसके लिए वो टर्मिनेटिंग. Now 1 2 6 and 45. 2 का टेबल में ए जाएगा कैंसिल होगा, लेकिन ये नहीं, तो 3 में चेक करो. व्हाट इज द डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट फॉर 3 and 9? 4 plus 5 9, 6 8 1 9. That means it is divisible by 9. So it is not in the lowest form. Therefore convert. When you multiply, add, you got 9. So it is divisible by 9. 9 5s are, 3 से भी हो सकता है, but 9. 9 1s are 9, 10 11 12. 3 remains, 3 and 6 36. 9 4s are 36. You got 14 by 5. So now the denominator is 5. So prime factor of 5 is 5. Therefore, 126 upon 45 will have a terminating decimal representation. Okay. Hope you are confident of this topic. Without long division, directly how you say whether it is terminating or non-terminating decimal representation. Remember, first step is to convert into the lowest term if it is not. Then the denominator, you see the prime factors, it should be either 2 or 5 or 2 and 5. Then it will have a terminating decimal representation, otherwise it will have a non-terminating decimal representation. Okay. Bye. Thank you. All the best.